World War II drama series Das Boot, co-produced by Bavaria Fiction, Sky Deutschland, and Sonar Entertainment, has been sold to more than 100 territories worldwide. Hulu has picked up rights for the U. The series will premiere in Sky territories Germany, Austria, Switzerland, UK and Ireland beginning November 23 and Italy in December. Territories sold to date include Stars Play in France, AMC in Spain and Portugal, Epix/Viasat in Russia, Central and Eastern Europe, DI&MA in Serbia, Czech TV in the Czech Republic, VRT in Belgium, NRK in Norway, SVT in Sweden, Yle in Finland, RUV in Iceland, NIT in South Africa, Stars Play in Latin America, SBS in Australia, and TVNZ in New Zealand. Inspired by Wolfgang Petersen's Oscar and Golden Globe-nominated film, and Lothar Gunther Bookheim's best-selling novel, the series was produced on a budget of $33 million. A story of choices and survival, Das Boot explores the emotional torment of life during World War II.
The series features an international cast, including Vicky Krieps, Tom Vlasiha, Lizzie Kaplan, Vincent Kartheiser, James Darcy, Thierry Fremont, August Wittgenstein, Rainer Bach, Rick Ogone, Leonard Schitcher, Robert Stade-Wober, Franz Denda, and Stefan Konarsk. Tony Saint, Margaret Thatcher, The Long Walk to Finchley, The Interceptor, and Johannes W. Betts, Der Tunnel, Die Spiegelaffäre, are the head writers.
Das Boot is directed by Andreas Prochaska, Das Finstere Tal, The Dark Valley, Das Wunder von Kärnten, A Day for a Miracle. Executive producers are Moritz Polter, Spotless, Crossing Lines, Oliver Vogel, Dangler, Soko Stuttgart, and Jan S. Kaiser, Hotel Lux, Brecht, for Bavaria Fiction, Marcus Ammon and Frank Jasfelder for Sky Deutschland, and Tom Lesinski, David Ellender and Jenna Santwani, Taboo, Mr. Mercedes, for Sonar Entertainment.
Sonar Entertainment has international distribution, excluding the Sky territories above.
What do you think about it? Share your opinion in the comments below the video. And also subscribe to the channel not to miss new, interesting videos.